So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into Twitter and you are going to find the tweet that you want and screenshot it. Go to your camera roll and edit all of this out. All I want is what the actual tweet is saying. We're given the illusion that we took it from Twitter. Now we're going to go into InShot, go to video, and we're going to upload our video. And I'm going to change my background to black to match my aesthetic. Go to sticker, upload from your camera, and you're going to paste what the tweet was, or what the tweet said, right up here. Make sure it goes all the way to the end. And to add a final touch, I'm going to go back into my stickers. I have a little tweet icon, and I'm going to put that right in the top, just for a little aesthetic. And I'm going to save it. Now, you want to create the illusion that you're bringing the tweet into Instagram. So I'm going to go to Instagram. I'm going to go to my page, click my icon, and because it's black, it's going to blend in with everything.
Savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.